Today I'm going to show you how to sum a column in Google Sheets and share a few tips you might not know about totals, references, and quick calculations. Let's start simple. Basic sum. In any cell, type equals sum and select your range of cells you want to sum. This will add up everything in column B automatically. If you enter new numbers, the total updates instantly. Watch out for errors. If you try to sum a column and put the total in the same column like equals, sum in the last row of B. Google Sheets will give you a circular reference error. That's because the formula is trying to include itself in the sum. To fix this, either sum a specific range, for example, or put the total in a different sheet so it doesn't interfere with the column you're summing. Summing on another sheet. Create a new sheet called Total Sales. In a cell, type. Here, 2023 sales. 3. B tells Google Sheets to sum column B on the 2023 sales sheet. Notice the quotes around the sheet name. That's necessary if your sheet name has spaces. Quick totals. If you just want a fast sum without formulas, select the column of numbers. Look at the bottom right corner of Google Sheets. You'll see quick calculations. Sum, average, min, max, count. This is a handy way to check totals instantly, especially if you're just exploring your data. These tips make summing data in Google Sheets faster, safer, and more flexible, whether you're adding monthly sales, tracking expenses, or keeping score for projects.